Today on Chef Michael's Food Hacks, I'm Chef Michael McDermott. We're making black bean and corn chili. Hey, this is the same recipe that I sent up to the White House at their request for President Clinton. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some wonderful grilled olive in here. Pretty liberal, okay? And I'm going to add all the seasonings, which is cumin, coriander, jalapeno, garlic. Man, does that smell good. Now, why am I putting the seasonings in with the onions, huh? Why? Because it's called blooming. Dry seasonings have to be bloomed at the beginning of a cooking preparation to bring out the flavor of the seasoning. I'm going to cover this. I'm going to turn it down to low, and I'm going to let it sweat for about 3 minutes. Oh my gosh, the smell here is amazing! Now, what I also forgot to tell you, while there's so much color in here, I put a couple of tablespoons of chili powder in here, of course, obviously it's chili. Now I'm going to add everything else. I add equal portions. This is organic corn. Man, you can see it's been a long day. Organic corn. Then I'm going to add the same amount of black beans, okay? I'm going to stir it around, get it mixed up with the seasonings. Give it a little flavor. You want to make sure you have a heavy bottom or the bottom of the pot, usually a rolled steel plate, okay? Because you're going to cook this for about 20 minutes on low. All right, so now, I have in here, this is a very old technique, by the way. I have a little bit of grits in here with the crushed tomatoes. These are fire roasted crushed organic tomatoes. The grits actually help to thicken the chili a little bit. That is very old. And also, this is completely gluten-free and vegan. Now, look at how pretty that chili looks. Wow. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to bring this up to a simmer. Look how pretty it is. I'm going to bring it up to a simmer, cover it, and let it simmer for 20 minutes. And then I'll serve it up and show you what it looks like. Okay, now the chili is done. Yummy. Look at that. Look at those black beans. Look at that beautiful corn, the seasonings. I wish we had smell-o-vision. You could really smell it. So I got half a sink full of water. Probably half of that is ice. And then I'm going to drop this pot in there, okay? This way I'm going to cool the chili very quickly. Ice bath in the sink. Okay, black bean chili, all done and panned up. Then on top of the chili, I put a little sour cream, low-fat, and some low-fat cheddar and Monterey Jack. That's it. Stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well. Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.